60 million people in the U.S. have allergies and asthma, and 85% of them have sleep issues because of it. Doctors usually recommend removing all carpeting, rugs, drapes, pets, and encasing the bedding, among other things. But who wants to live like that? Joining us today is a man who says he may have the solution, Dr. Scott Augustine, founder of PureZone Technologies. Welcome, Scott.
Thank you, Jackie. It's great to be here.
You know, I have asthma and allergies myself, and I've never been able to comply with my doctor's wishes for my bedroom. Most people don't, do they?
Well, you're totally right about that. The research shows that about 50% of people don't do anything, even the simplest things like dust mite encasement. Very few people do anything, and almost no one does the entire list that you went through as far as what they're recommended to do.
So what is PureZone, and how does it work?
What it is a dual chamber pillowcase. The lower chamber is where you put your pillow. We don't want to mess up your pillow habits. And the upper chamber inflates with air from a blower which sits next to your bed and comes through a HEPA filter. The air comes into the upper chamber, then goes through the upper surface of the pillowcase and creates a bubble around your head. And your head sits in this bubble through the night.
Wow, I can't wait to hear more. Let's go to this 21st Century Health Field Report.
Allergy and asthma patients, and doctors alike, have been searching for non-drug therapies that are both scientifically validated and provide a reasonable lifestyle choice. The PureZone personal air filtration system is revolutionary in its clinically proven effectiveness and its simplicity.
When I first saw the PureZone product, I think it's a very imaginative, inventive product that has been very beneficial, that will be very beneficial to my asthmatic patients.
It is an effective, comfortable and unobtrusive device, and I anticipate patients will benefit from it.
The PureZone system effectively removes over 99.97% of airborne allergen and pollutant particles in the breathing space around the nose and mouth using a unique charged fiber HEPA filtration pillowcase system.
PureZone can help patients overcome adherence issues because it's a simple, cost-effective means of deriving a good night's sleep.
The PureZone system allows you to get the rest you deserve without drugs or rearranging your bedroom or your life. For 21st Century Business, I'm Steve Michaels reporting.
Scott, I understand you ran clinical trials on the PureZone system using the same type of study normally employed for FDA drug approvals. What did you find?
What we found in our studies is really interesting. Four main things we found. The first is that we can virtually eliminate allergen exposure at night. The second is with regards to symptom relief. The nighttime symptoms and the morning symptoms are substantially relieved by sleeping on this through the night. The third thing is that people report a better night's sleep and as a result feel more rested the following day. And the fourth thing is we could actually measure an increase in their quality of life index score. So we have four dramatic things that we've measured in this published research.
That's remarkable. What were the challenges you faced when you were designing and developing the PureZone system?
Well, the first was simply how do you create a bubble over a pillowcase that doesn't just blow away. And so we spent quite a bit of time working on that, getting the air to be pure and to be stable.
Fantastic. Solving the nighttime breathing difficulties that cause so many of us to walk around sleep deprived, including me. That is huge. Thank you so much for being here to tell us about it, Scott.
Well, it's my pleasure, and it's just a great opportunity to be able to tell allergy sufferers about a product that can reduce their suffering and give them a better night's sleep and actually increase their quality of life index.